till I get up. Time is barely.
I know how to do makeup, but yung, alam mo yung technicality and yung skills I have but yung proper, what are the proper makeup na gagamitin, the products, na talagang yes, kasi yun ang gusto ko talagang matuto.
And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
We have to start our little background to our very own professional makeup artist, no other than Miss Lyka.
And on we'll go.
It is also Lyka's professionalism that made her become one of the most after makeup artists in the South.
Importante kapag meron kayong double chin, lalagay din kayo ng contour para mabawasan po yung mga taba-taba natin dyan.
Sobrang excited ako na umattend dito. So ayun, marami ako natutunan, especially yung pagkikilay, pagkukontour, yung pagpa-blush, ganyan, yung tamang paglagay ng foundation.
Since I'm into business, I'm into sales also, palagi ako nakikipag-usap sa mga clients. So, naisip ko na mag-join sa class sa workshop na to para ma-enhance yung pag-makeup ko, para magamit ko siya everyday.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Yung background ni Miss Lyka, Signature by Lyka is a professional bridal makeup artist with more than 5 years of experience in the field of wedding with more than hundreds of brides since 2013.
Skincare is more important than putting the makeup. Is that true? Okay. So, importante po ang pag-aayos or paglalagay ng skincare bago po tayo mag-start mag-makeup.
Dito sa Signature by Lyka workshop, marami kaming natutunan such as yung theory about makeup, what is makeup, and how to apply those tools in makeup. And marami pang iba such as yung contour, yung how to apply blush on, and yung importance ng kilay dahil kilay is life.